G'day, my name's Scott Williams. I'm a rice grower at Murrumai. Once I came back to the farm after a brief stint at Ag College, I did get hooked on rice growing then and have grown a crop ever since. Information sharing is probably a pretty good thing about rice. You can look over your fence at your neighbour and see what he's doing, and I was pretty lucky to have a good neighbour to look over the fence at. And the WhatsApp group we are participating in this year for the first time, which it's been a bit of an eye-opener as far as instant feedback of information, that rates, sowing rates, fertiliser rates, timing of events that are critical, and it's on your phone. I'm pretty proud to have my son back on the farm in the last little while, 3 years. Be a fairly productive team member of the farm. It just seems like yesterday that we got through my farm succession plan with my father, and now we're almost setting up to do the same with Carl.
I love when people ask me what I do and I haven't met them before, and they say, "Oh, what do you do?" And I say, "I'm a farmer." And they go, "Oh yeah, what kind of farmer?" And you say, "Rice and sheep." And they're always really interested and want to talk about it, especially the rice part.
Rice growers have always been early adapters of technology. Having a young person on board in regards to technology is fantastic. So setting up easy steer and even rewiring the stereo systems on the tractors has been an improvement.
No, you always got to innovate, I suppose, and that's what farmers do best. Always looking for a way to do everything a little bit easier, whether it's easier on your back or easier on the land or the animal or the crop. You're always looking for a way to make everything work.
Oh yeah, I'm pretty proud of what I do here. It's a pretty noble cause, feeding the populace, and it's not a bad lifestyle.